Starting with question number 8. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Now, half, let the deer be x, then half means x upon 2. They are grazing at the field, okay, and the rest out of the remaining. Now, if this is the total number of deer out of which half are grazing, the rest means again rest half, that is x by 2. Out of from these rest remaining, 3 by 4 are playing nearby. So 3 by 4, that is this, are playing, and the leftover after this 9 are drinking water. Okay, are drinking water. Then find the number of deer in the herd. So we have to find the total number, means x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9 should be equal to total. Okay, so this we have to find out. So first, the first solution, what we'll write? That is, let the number of deer be x, then number of deer grazing in the field will be half of x, that is x by 2, and number of deer playing, the remaining, that is x upon 2 into 3 by 4, which is 3x upon 8, and then number of deer that who are drinking water. So let me erase the board, then I'll write. Now we will write the number of deer who are drinking water. Number of deer drinking water, which is equal to 9. Then total number of deer in the herd. Total number of deer in the herd is equal to who are grazing, then who are drinking water, playing, and who are drinking water, to the total. Here, from here we will get the value of x. So first we will find out the LCM. Now this 9 can be written as 9 upon 1. Simple. Method we use. Now if you multiply here by 4, it becomes 8, and if you multiply here by 8, it becomes 8. And here we don't need to multiply. x upon 8, 3x upon 8, and 72 upon 8, which gives us x. 3x and 4x, 7x upon 8 plus 72 upon 8. Now if we take this 8 common and shift it that side, okay, let me again rub the board. Here you can see on the top I have written 1 by 8 I have taken common, and 7x and 72. Then I am shifting this 8 that side. It is here in division, so it will go up that side. It becomes multiplication. So 7x plus 72 is equal to x into 8. 7x plus 72, 8x. This 7 if you shift that side, so it becomes what? It is plus, it becomes minus. 72 is equal to 8x minus 7x. So 72 is equal to 8 minus 7 is 1, that is x. So the value of x is what? 72. That means answer is 72. There were 72 deer.